families are even complaining that their children have little time for them, which is true, but it's for the band. We make sacrifices.
We have an intense preparation for this certain drill program. That's why most of the time we are very, very exhausted. So the Wicked theme, the musical, is very far different from our previous drill performance. Kasi hindi po madali yung musical. Akala ng mga tao yung nakikita nila na output after our drill program is ito lang naman yun. Pero the behind scene, pinag-aralan namin yung Wicked talaga na movie, kung paano yung galawan, paano yung mga props gamitin. Very detailed yung mga ginawa namin.
Especially after months of rigorous training, blood, sweat, effort, everything. We even sacrificed our time to school, for project, even family.
Ang challenges muna mo is yung hindi na kami yung mafe-feel na namin na hindi na kaya ng katawan namin, pero lumalaban kami dahil we are here to inspire people. To inspire to achieve our goal as a band member.
So this year drill design is more on musicality compared to the previous year, which is OPM, and the technicalities is much harder or critical because compared to the OPM is more on upbeat or soulful version on music. Sa musical is more on higher notes and the arrangement is also hard.
I conducted a lot of pep talks, inspirational talks to my members, team buildings, just to push and boost their confidence level during our performance.
We also do open forums in case na I heated na argument and I don't want my members to feel down during practices because of that. Kaya we have to focus on our practice.
Sumali po ako sa band kasi I expect myself to be more disciplined as an individual para po ma-improve akong kagalingan. Being a band member contains doing things that you love with passions and courage.
As a section leader, I've encountered a lot of challenges. The hardest one to overcome is that balancing being section leader and a friend to my members, especially because I have a sister in my section. I've overcome it by knowing the difference between authority and being friendly to my members because I know that discipline should always come first.
During performances or practices, for coordination with everyone, we try to mouth the countings and we try to listen well to the music so that our performance can greatly impact the band.
Even though it's tiring from the late night practices, the sleepless nights, we should always remember that we will inspire people whenever we perform. And I know that we are not just after the title, but also after by the inspiration of people towards us.
My message to my section is that I'm actually very proud of them because their discipline is improving, ilang weak points can improve. I'm very proud kay maniguro sila whenever I tell them na maniguro. And sa amo banda, I hope that tonight's performance will be successful and that we make our parents proud, our school, ourselves proud, and God bless.
Guys, remember all those nights na we wanted to give up but we didn't. Like, we're here now. Give your best, guys, so that this will be a competition without regrets.
Dapat iusag nato ang pagtinabangay as a one family, separate with each other.
Overcome namin ang sakit ng aming katawan dahil nagiging motivated kami at nagfo-focus kami sa goal namin.
Let's enjoy. This is the day. October 2025 will never come back, but let's make it worth it.
I believe in my members, they believe in me. I believe to win is to sacrifice.
I would motivate my members by always telling them the good side of these hardships that we are going through.
For our 2025 program, we bring the magic of Wicked to the field. The untold story of Elphaba and Glinda, two witches whose friendship and choices changed their world. Through powerful music, bold drill designs, and emotional performance, we celebrate courage, individuality, and the strength to defy gravity. This theme reminds us that being wicked isn't about darkness. It's about daring to be different and staying true to who we are. As we perform, we aim to to inspire others to embrace their own story, to rise above judgment, challenge limits, and find beauty in standing out. Just like Elphaba and Glinda, we believe that greatness begins when we have the courage to be ourselves. My fellow bandmasters, let's teach our band members to accept defeat and be kind all the time. Hayaan natin yung mga bata to appreciate other bands also. Hindi po madaling gumawa ng drill program. Sana maintindihan ng bawat isa na yung pagiging champion is not just about the title but to inspire everyone during our performance. I want to say thank you to our dear parents because of your 100% support to your children. Parents, officers ng banda, very active po to our sister Marian. Thank you very much for the unfailing support for allowing our kids to experience a one-of-a-kind experience po sa Bandaraya. To our active coordinators, thank you very much for being there. To our teachers, thank you for all our supporters, to all who believe in us. At sana po, mas suportahan niyo pa po kami sa mga darating pa na mga panahon na magpe-perform po ang Mellow Fire.